In the grand tapestry of existence, there exists a profound concept: the universe's unwavering commitment to restoring the precious years we may have considered wasted. While the notion of such a cosmic restoration may initially seem surreal, it is a theme deeply rooted in faith, spirituality, and personal growth. As we embark on this exploration, we journey into the realm of signs and signals, subtle yet discernible, which provide glimpses into the universe's remarkable capacity to renew and rejuvenate our lives. The idea that the universe will restore the years may resonate with a sense of hope and wonder. It signifies the belief that the universe holds the power not only to mend what may appear broken, but also to enhance, strengthen, and elevate our existence. Through this journey, we will unveil these signs, indicators of the universe's benevolence at work, that manifest as a promise of restoration, a profound transformation that transcends the limitations of time and circumstance. One of the most poignant signs that the universe is poised to restore the years you may have felt were lost lies in the profound experience of healing and wholeness. Emotional wounds, often unseen but deeply felt, have the remarkable ability to impair one's physical vitality and overall well-being. Emotional trauma can prove more debilitating than physical injuries, casting long shadows over our lives. However, when the universe commences its intricate work of restoration, it initiates a process of gradual healing that touches every aspect of your being. Imagine a story that vividly illustrates this sign. Meet Sarah, a woman who for years carried the heavy burden of a past filled with emotional scars. The weight of these unhealed wounds had taken a toll on her physical health, leaving her feeling depleted and emotionally fragile. But then, as if guided by unseen hands, Sarah embarked on a journey of self-discovery, delving into spiritual practices and embracing the universe's power to restore. Over time, she found herself letting go of the pain and heartbreak that had held her captive for so long. The universe's benevolent force worked within her, granting her the ability to forgive those who had deeply wounded her. This transformation was not confined to the emotional realm alone. Sarah's physical health also began to witness a remarkable shift. The universe's healing touch, whether manifesting gradually or through sudden transformation, became evident in her newfound emotional and physical well-being. Her story serves as a powerful testament to the universe's capacity to restore even the most deeply wounded souls to a state of healing and wholeness. With its infinite compassion, the universe seeks not only to mend what is broken, but to make it stronger and more vibrant as well. Another unmistakable sign that the universe is on the verge of restoring the years you may have thought were lost lies in the experience of abundance and the influx of unexpected blessings. When financial prosperity begins to grace your life, it is vital to recognize these blessings as a manifestation of the universe's benevolence. Yet, the universe's restoration is not confined solely to financial matters. It extends its generous hand to all aspects of your life. Consider the notion of unexpected blessings, a concept that speaks to the heart of this sign. Imagine a scenario where you find yourself unexpectedly encountering favorable circumstances, sometimes in the form of financial windfalls, but often in the shape of blessings that transcend monetary value. Strangers may extend acts of kindness, acquaintances may offer assistance without any apparent cause, and opportunities may arise from unexpected quarters. This extraordinary array of unexpected blessings serves as a testament to the universe's intention to restore all that you may have perceived as lost. An overpowering desire to demonstrate kindness and compassion to those around you is another sign that the universe is restoring your wasted years. This inexplicable yearning to serve others transcends mere obligation, transforming into an innate impulse to make the world a better place. The compassion you develop when you encounter adversity compels you to provide help to those in need, no matter how abundant your resources are. It's as if the universe's benevolence has ignited a flame within you, guiding your actions toward a path of selfless giving. This transformation isn't limited to sporadic acts of kindness. Rather, it marks a profound shift in your character. Your heart becomes a conduit for divine love, channeling not only tangible gifts, but also meaningful acts that benefit your community and those around you. The universe's intention to restore your lost years becomes evident in your relentless pursuit of compassion, a sign that your life is undergoing a profound transformation, guided by forces beyond the visible realm. One of the pivotal signs that the universe is actively engaged in restoring the years you may have deemed lost is the remarkable surge in inner strength and resilience. In the face of life's myriad challenges and adversities, this newfound fortitude equips you with the unwavering determination to confront and surmount obstacles. You feel as though the universe bestows upon you the strength to weather life's storms, since it recognizes your journey towards restoration. The restoration process is often accompanied by a rediscovery of your life's purpose. Perhaps, due to various circumstances, you had momentarily lost sight of your true calling. However, the universe, in its infinite wisdom, guides you towards rekindling that inner spark, allowing you to uncover or reignite your life's purpose. This clarity of purpose, intertwined with your newfound strength, serves as a powerful sign that the universe is diligently working towards restoring your life. It signifies that not only is the universe mending what may have been fractured, but it is also empowering you to emerge from adversity even stronger and more determined than before. A profound realignment of your will with the universe's ordained purpose for your life is another indication that the universe is restoring your seemingly wasted years. As restoration unfolds, you'll observe a subtle yet transformative shift in your preferences, particularly those that may not align with the universe's divine plan. You are realigning not just your tastes, but your desires as well, steering you toward choices that resonate with the universe's purpose. Your newfound alignment with the universe's will bestows upon you a deep sense of joy and fulfillment. It's as if you have discovered the missing puzzle piece that completes the intricate mosaic of your life. Happiness flows effortlessly, stemming from the knowledge that your life is unfolding precisely as the universe has intended. This alignment with the universe's divine purpose signifies a crucial step in the restoration process, indicating that your life is being guided back on course by celestial forces beyond human comprehension. Moreover, this alignment fosters a profound sense of inner peace. You find solace in the knowledge that your choices and actions are harmoniously attuned to the universe's grand design. Rather than just material restitution, the universe's promise to restore your lost years encompasses a spiritual and existential transformation in which your very essence becomes aligned with the cosmic purpose. Having this alignment infuse your life with a sense of purpose and fulfillment is an indication that the universe is actively engaging in the restoration process. When faced with chaos and challenges, the sense of peace permeates your everyday life as a powerful indication that the universe is diligently working to restore the years you may have thought lost. This inner serenity is a precious gift from the universe, and it embodies the essence of restoration. The universe, in its boundless wisdom, does not merely remove the obstacles in your path. Instead, it bestows upon you the strength and tranquility to navigate them with grace and resilience. This inner peace is not contingent on external circumstances, but rather emanates from a deep wellspring within. It offers a profound sense of assurance that, regardless of the trials and tribulations you may encounter, everything is ultimately unfolding for your highest good. Those events are proof of the universe's desire to restore not only what may have been lost, but also your inner equilibrium. As you traverse life's unpredictable terrain, this peace serves as a guiding light, reassuring you that the universe is intricately weaving the threads of your destiny back together, one moment at a time. A remarkable sign that the universe is actively engaged in restoring the years you may have considered wasted is the intensifying hunger for a deeper spiritual connection. It's as if a thirst for divine knowledge and communion has awakened within you, propelling you towards a profound and transformative journey. Simple prayers become potent gateways to a sense of divine connection, infusing your life with a newfound awareness of the universe's presence. Beyond religious affiliations and dogmas, this heightened spiritual awareness transcends them both. It encompasses a profound recognition of the interconnectedness of all life and a deep reverence for the mysteries of the universe. The universe's restoration process is not solely about the restitution of material aspects of life. It encompasses a profound spiritual renewal that elevates your consciousness. Discovering the wisdom of the universe through scriptures and spiritual practices deepens your understanding of life's purpose. Spiritual growth and enlightenment symbolize the universe's active involvement in your restoration journey, as it guides you towards a life of profound meaning and purpose. You will notice another remarkable sign that the universe is in the process of restoring your lost years, and it comes in the form of enhanced clarity of thought. It's as if a veil has been lifted from your mind, allowing you to perceive your life's journey with newfound lucidity. You'll find that you can discern the universe's hand at work in your life, even in the intricate details that were once obscured by confusion or uncertainty. This clarity of thought extends beyond mere intellectual comprehension. It permeates your very existence, offering insights that transcend the ordinary. With this newfound clarity, you'll begin to view past setbacks and failures as stepping stones to your future success. What may have once seemed like insurmountable obstacles are now revealed as opportunities for growth and transformation. Your perspective on life's challenges undergoes a profound shift, and you recognize that they were instrumental in shaping your resilience and inner strength. Clarity of thought is not only a sign of the universe's active involvement in your restoration, but also a tool for embracing your journey with renewed optimism and purpose. The final sign that the universe is in the process of restoring your seemingly wasted years is the profound sense of tranquility that permeates your life, coupled with the restoration of damaged relationships. As the universe works its mysterious ways, it not only seeks to mend the fragments of your own existence, but also recognizes the significance of harmonious interactions with others. You'll find yourself drawn to the notion of rekindling relationships that may have suffered in the past. These inclinations are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of guiding you towards reconciliation and reconnection with those who play pivotal roles in your life. This process extends beyond mere surface interactions. It delves deep into the heart of relationships, fostering understanding, empathy, and forgiveness. It is as if the universe itself orchestrates these moments of healing, breathing new life into bonds that may have been strained or severed. As you embrace this restoration of relationships, you'll witness the profound impact it has on your overall sense of well-being. The universe recognizes that the restoration of your years encompasses not only personal growth, but also the mending of the tapestry of your connections with others. In closing, we must remember that everyone's journey is unique, and restoration, as promised by the universe, is a personal experience. Have faith in the universe's ability to restore all that you may have lost, even when you can't physically witness its workings. Gratitude for the universe's incredible works in your life can be your guiding light through this transformative journey.